In this particular question, we have a hard pacing device which consists of a coil of 50 turns and radius 1 mm just inside the body with a coil of 1000 turns and radius 2 centimeter placed concentrically and coaxially just outside the body. Now we need to calculate the average induced EMF in the internal coil if a current of 1 ampere in the external coil collapses in 10 milliseconds. So we have an inner coil and an outer coil. As the radius of inner coil is very small, we can consider magnetic field to be same as that of center. So due to the bigger coil, let this radius be R1. Due to the bigger coil, the magnetic field at the center B1 is equal to mu naught, let number of turns to be N1, mu naught N1 I by 2 R1. This is the magnetic field at the center of the bigger coil. So flux passing through the smaller coil, phi is equal to area of the smaller coil, that is pi R2 square, let this radius be R2, into B, that is mu naught N1 I by 2 R1. This is the flux through the smaller coil. Now induced EMF, E is equal to d phi by dt, that is mu naught pi, and as the inner coil has N2 number of turns, so total flux will be multiplied by N2. So we have mu naught pi N1 N2 R2 square by 2 R1 into di by dt. If we put the values of N1, N2, R1, R2 and di by dt, we have 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into pi into N1 is 10 to the power 3, N2 is 50, R2 is 10 to the power minus 3 square by twice of R1 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 and di by dt is 1 upon 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. This is the induced EMF and its value comes out to be 493 microvolt. So this is the induced EMF in the inner coil due to variation in current in outer coil.